Hey guys, Aaron Statzer with Coval Technologies. Coming this morning from Houston, Texas. Today we're going to look at how do you fix a Coval stone project that didn't turn out quite right. We'll show you a few imperfections that happened during this installation and show you how to fix those. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to scrape off as much product as we possibly can. As you can see, Jason's behind me already getting to work. A few things that you're going to need: an acetone with a spray bottle filled with acetone so you can just keep your surface clean. That way, as you're scraping, you can get the surface clean and be able to see have you removed everything that you can with the scraper. A few other things: you're gonna need a 4-inch scraper, extra blades, 1-inch scraper and extra blades, and a few rags. So the 4-inch scraper will do the majority of the work, but this 1-inch scraper helps get in low spots and then work around the sink, your faucets, your soap dispensers, things like that that are recessed to help you get really tight around those curves. All right, let's take a look at a few things that made this installation not turn out the best. One, this piece of marble does not need primer. The installer used primer over this surface, causing a false bond with the Coval stone product. We'll show you what that looks like here in a minute. So as they were applying the Coval stone, when they got to the edge, they didn't have a clean tape line. They just tried to smooth it off on the edge, which caused drip lines running down the side of the cabinet. A couple other things, you'll see on the surface that there's some drip marks that looks like a water drop. That's the oversaturation of the applicator that allowed the Coval to drip on the surface after they had already applied it. Another deal is there's some spots where they applied it too thin. They really pulled the product and it caused some streaking, which is in the areas where this Coval first started to fail. Because one, remember, it's sitting over a layer of primer. Pulling the Coval too thin, it didn't get a good bond, and so it caused an issue. So in conclusion, today, we're gonna remove as much as we can with our scrapers, get the surface cleaned and ready, and then come back in another video and show you how to do the final preparation to get ready to apply a new coat of Coval stone.